So hello guys, this was the weekly contest 330 and question is collisions or count the collisions of monkey on a polygon. So let's read this question. Okay, so 220 this is the collision counts of we have to find, and so let's read the question. The count collisions of a monkey on a polygon. So a polygon can be different you can say vertices with the count, right? And vertices can be, so let's suppose in this case we have given here 6 vertices, n equal to 6. So there will be 0 1 2 3 4 and 5, means 0 to 0 to n minus 1 given, right? Means 5 given, right? 0 to 5, because total how many given? 6 we have given. So it is saying there is a regular convex polygon with n vertices. The vertices are labeled from 0 to n minus 1 in a clockwise direction, right? So as you can see, this is clockwise direction, 0 1 2 3 4 5, right? And each vertex has exactly one monkey, right? So here 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 and here, let's suppose every each vertices exactly one monkey is there, and this is the vertices of 6, right? And that is called a convex polygon. Okay, so each monkey simultaneously to neighboring vertex, right? Move, it will move, right? So let's suppose uh, 1 is moving to 2, okay, and 2 may be moving to here. Either he will go to here or he will move to here, right? This is the possibility, right? Or this will move to here, or this will move to here, correct? Like this. So there will be a possibility, right? Either the monkey one will move towards what? Towards 2, or either he will move towards backward to 0, right? Similarly for monkey 2, either he want to move to towards what? 1, or either he will move towards 3, right? So these are the possibility we have for each monkey. And so that a neighboring vertex from I, let's suppose there is a I vertex, right? There is a I vertex, and monkey want to move from I vertex to either I plus 1, right? Or either he want to go to I minus 1, as I told you. So if I equal to 0 is, so either he will go to I minus 1, right? Either I minus 1. So the, like previous vertex. So previous vertex can be the previous vertex that have, right? So there, least I minus, let's suppose 0. You can take 1 also, right? So that position, let's suppose that is 5. Or if we talk about I plus 1, that can be possibly 2, right? Like that I told you, right? So when our neighboring vertex from I to I plus 1 is going, so we have to take the modulus here, right? With them, and I minus 1 plus 5, as you can see. So it was saying I minus 1 plus n, and you know that n is nothing but what? 6, and that's why we are getting 5. So this is anti-clockwise. Here you can say counterclockwise, and this is clockwise we are getting, correct? Now it's saying a collision happens if at least 2 monkey resides on the same vertex after movement. So if there is a monkey, right, let's suppose here, if see monkey at 0, he also want to, give me here, here. So let's suppose monkey at 0 want to move in this direction, right? And monkey at what? 2, he want to move to this direction, towards 1, right? So both will collide at what? Collision will happen at this position, at 1, correct? So this is the line saying the same thing. A collision happens if at least two monkey resides on the same vertex after the movement. So after the movement, monkey M, let's suppose monkey M0 and monkey M2, right? Both collides at what? At 1. Okay. So we have to return number of ways monkey can move so that at least one collision happens. We have to return the number of ways the monkey can move so that at least one collision happens. How many ways you can say we have, right? So number of ways the monkey can move for at least one collision we have to define. So since answer may be vary, right, we have to take modulus of 10 to the power 9 plus 7, right? You can represent as like this plus 7, right? So we have to take modulus and then we have to return. But the number of ways a monkey can move, at least one collision happens. There can be many possibilities, right? So in this case, let's suppose we have for the two monkey, let's suppose, right? There is two. This is talking about polygon, but let's suppose we have two only, right? So either a monkey will move like this, right? Either he will go back. But if there is only two, right? The possibility is only one, right here. Either he will go to in this direction only. So means both is redirecting to one place, right? Got it? So there is only one possibility. We'll talk about this. Again, it's saying note that the monkey can only move once, right? Let me go here and understand the example. Okay, we have n equal to 3, right? So let's suppose 0, 1 and 2. So we have given this polygon like a triangle. Okay, so a monkey M0 either, give me 1 minute. So monkey M0 either he want to move to this direction or he want to move to this direction. Similarly, monkey at 1 want to move this direction or he want to move this direction. Similarly, monkey at 2 he want to move to this direction or either he want to move to this direction. So if you see here, without any collision, without at least one collision, you can say, right? If we are taking for any moment, right, their total possibility if you count, so two ways such that they collide at some point, right? If monkey 1 moves in clockwise direction, like if he want to come in this direction, right? So what will happen? Monkey 2 moves in anti-clockwise direction, means he want to go like this. I explained, right? Monkey 3 move in clockwise direction. So and this monkey 2 will move clockwise direction, means he has to go like this only. Okay, and monkey 1 and 2 will collide, right? At what? Monkey 1, as you can see, monkey 1 and monkey 2 will collide at here, right? At this position, because see, he is coming in this direction and he is going to this direction, right? So this one, right? So they will collide, right? So see, monkey 2 is going to which direction? This direction, anti-clockwise. So when the anti-clockwise come, right, in the picture, monkey 2 will come into the picture, right? Definitely it will make the collision, right? So there is one possibility is this. Again, now monkey 1 is moving, right? As you can see, monkey 1 is moving toward the direction, right? And then the collision will happen between monkey 1 and monkey 3, right? Because monkey 2 moves in anti-clockwise direction, but monkey 3 is moving in clockwise direction. So the neighboring is what? Who? M1 has neighbor 3 in the clockwise direction, right? Anti-clockwise direction, and that will happen. So total if you'll count for this one, right? So total move is 6 for 3 and 3. So what we have given, we have given n equal to 3 suppose. Then what we'll do, uh, we will check at this position. Okay, so at this line answer should be what? At this line, before going to here, right, at line number this one, we should check what? This function will go directly here, correct? So here we are getting what? X we are getting 2, y we are getting 3, and mod we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then 7. So see, at this position what we have, x equal to 2, y equal to 3, mod equal to this, right? Now result we have what? 1. We'll check if this is odd, then we'll find our result. At this position we will find our result, right? Why we will check this? See, after getting this we have to find our result, you can say. Okay, so we can say the result is now what? Result into 1. So we have result is 1 into 2, and then we are taking mod, right? This mod. So it will become what? At this point what will happen? It is 2, correct? Mod is 2. Now we will find what? Y and then x, right? So y is right shift of 1, y is right shift of 1, and we will get what? 1, correct? And we will get x shift is 4, correct? Y, see, y we have what? 3. If we'll represent this one, we have 3 and we are taking right shift of 1, so it will become 1, and we have 4 because y we have x is 2 into 2, and then we're taking mod, right? So it is come 4. Now next time what will happen, we will reach to again there, right? This loop will again move, right? Because y is still 1, right? Y is previously y was 3, now y is what? 1. So this loop is still greater than what? Greater than 0. So what happened? This loop will again move, right? This loop will again move. So now we are at here, let's suppose. So now we have x is what? 2, but y, sorry, x is 4. X is 4. Y we have now 1, and mod will remain same. This value will remain same, correct? So first of all we'll check y, then we'll check x, right? So y will come what? 0 this time, because if we say, check y value, that is 1, we'll take right shift of 1, so definitely it will come what? 0, correct? And if we'll talk about y, x, x is what? X into x we have, and mod what? Mod we have. So it will look like 4 into 4, and then we are taking mod, right? So this is nothing but 16, correct? So let me, what I'll do, I'll take the register and I'll remove this one, right? So this one become what? 16. So this will become what? 16, correct? From here, and x we have got what? 0. Now y is 0, so this loop will not work, but we have result, so we have counted the result, right? So if we'll talk about the result here previously, so result is what? Result is previously what we have 2, correct? So 2 into x is now 4, and then we're taking mod, right? Right, so this will become what? 8. Now result is 8. Previously it was 2, now it is 8, right? Like this. So when we reach at this line here, right? Now no result is 8. We'll take the mod, right? We'll take the mod. So what will happen? uh, again what it happen, we will reach at here, right? Here you can say at this position with the 8, right? So answer will return back to this line. But let me yeah, here we can write. So what will happen, answer coming 8, we are adding the mode value and then we're doing minus. So first what we'll do, 8 minus 2 will do, that is 6, and then we can take some mode value, right? So why we are taking mode, because we have to take the mode, right? So we are adding that value and we are doing the mode so that we will get the positive number. So total 6 we will return as a output, and we are typecasting that value into integer and then we will return, because all the value are in long, right? But one of the thing you have to take care of is that in my first part of this contest for first part of the video, that is today I have uploaded, in which we are taking for the shift, right, 10 to the power 9 plus 7, right? If you'll take 10 to the power like this one, right? If you're taking like this one, 9 plus 7, so this will not work. Okay, so you have to take in the full number 1 and then 8 0, and then we have to pass 7, right, for the mode value. So make sure you will do, otherwise definitely the use test case जो sample will work, but when we submit that, this will not work. Okay, so that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit comment and subscribe this video, and please ping me the time complexity in the description box. Thank you so much.